Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important issue in section 147 proceedings. The issue before the Honorable Karnataka High Court in the present case was that in case the assessing officer passes the assessment order without disposing of the objections of the assessee which has been raised by the assessee against the reasons applied to him, in that case, whether the assessment is liable to be quashed and is liable to be termed as null and void, or the assessing officer should be given another opportunity to dispose of the objections and redo the assessment. This issue has been taken up by Honorable Karnataka High Court in the case of Hewlett Packard Financial Services India Private Limited versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax and others, and this case is reported in 482 ITR at page number 916, and the date of the judgment is 1st June 2023. Friends, this case is very important and it lays down the importance of various judgments pronounced by various apex courts and the consequences of not following those judgments either by the assessee or by the revenue. The present case relates to the assessment year 11-12, and in the present case, the notice under section 148 was issued to the assessee. And when the notice was issued, the assessee filed the return of income in response to the notice issued under section 148, and assessee asked for the reasons for reopening the case of the assessee. The reasons were supplied to the assessee. The assessee raised the objections and the assessment order was passed in case of the assessee without disposing of the objections by the learned assessing officer. In the present case, the assessment of the assessee was already completed under section 143 subsection 3. That was another fact of this case. And when the assessment order was passed without disposing of the objections of the assessee filed the writ petition in the Karnataka High Court. And the main apprehension of the assessee was that the objections of the assessee has not been disposed of as per the mandate of the apex court judgment in the case of JK and Driveshaft India Limited versus Income Tax Officer, which is a very landmark judgment of 2023 and which has been reported in 259 ITR at page number 19. In that case, the apex court has held that it is essential for the assessing officer to dispose of the objections of the assessee if the assessee raises such objections for the reasons given to the assessee. And hence, the assessing officer has not followed the mandate of the JK and Driveshaft India Limited case, so the assessment is liable to be quashed. On the other hand, the revenue was contending that and relying on the judgment of Madras High Court in the case of Home Finders Housing Limited versus Income Tax Officer, which is a 2018 judgment and which has been reported in 404 ITR at page number 611. According to that judgment, the revenue said that in that case a similar issue was before the Madras High Court, and the Madras High Court has remanded the matter back to the AO for redoing the assessment, and hence following that judgment, in the present case also the matter should be remanded to the AO. When the court heard both the parties, the court said that the Karnataka High Court in the case of Deepak Extractions Private Limited versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax 2017, which is reported at 80 Taxman 77, has not taken the note of the case law which has been cited by the revenue of Madras High Court Home Finders Housing Limited versus ITO, and has said that in the lack of disposing of the objections by the learned assessing officer, the assessment is liable to be quashed. The court said that in another case, that is Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax versus Emphasis Limited, which is also 2023 judgment and which is reported in 22 ITR online 643. In that case also, the Karnataka High Court has taken a same view that the assessment is liable to be quashed, and the matter should not be remanded back for redoing the assessment. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Hewlett Packard Financial Services India Private Limited versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax and others, and this case is reported in 482 ITR at page number 916, and the matter has been decided by Honorable Karnataka High Court on 1st June 2023. Thank you, friends.